So here we are at Lisa's parents' garage, and we're just looking at this set of stairs. We're going to build a railing. I've got all my materials here that I prepped yesterday, including a little yard sale find. Thank you very much. And we're going to put a little hand railing on here. Let's get started. Aren't these things the cutest? We just got one at the hardware store. I had to get it because I had another one from a different tool store. But it was blue, so I needed the yellow.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Because it matches your decor.
A little bit. So I was super excited about parents asking me to do this project. Lisa's parents commissioned the bald part of the outhouse to do a little staircase hand railing. And I was so excited because I have been squirreling away just the right things for this kind of project. It was so funny too, because looking for the actual handrail, I knew I had it and I couldn't find it anywhere. I looked and looked and looked, nowhere to be found. And I was doing a different project and I found it by accident. So the only problem that we really faced with this project was the base that we had that I thought was from a yard sale, but Lisa corrected me that we actually just found it free 99 laying on the road. So thank you, random stranger, for helping our projects out. The only problem was with that base, I was worried about standard height of our hand railing, and it ended up lining up perfectly. The base was going to be fine. Standard handrail height achieved. This might be tighter than I was expecting.
What the heck? What are you wearing?
These are my goggles, man.
Wow.
You gotta have the right equipment when you're dealing with toxic stuff.
Fair.
Uh-huh. Mine, you're lucky I didn't put the sunglasses on underneath this.
You look like Bubbles. Not that I really have ever watched that show, if I'm being honest.
Oh, there you go.
He's gonna do it right on the deck like a cricket. Yeah. Why not, right? Wow.
So the next challenge in this build was how to attach this to the wall. And for that, I used a russet board, and I created a russet board for myself out of a board left over from the mug wall. So Lisa will maybe link that for you.
Yes, I sure will.
And then there were the spindles. And for that, I had an idea right from the get-go. We dismantled a desk that we made for our youngest daughter, kind of grew out of it. And so those legs I kept. And there was a bunch of the legs because the desk was massive. So I used the table saw to trim down the legs, kind of an easy way to get the paint off, and then sanded the rest of them clean.
Yeah.
Good day, and welcome to day 2. This is where we've got all the materials ready to go. It's go time to build, so we managed to get a big old carriage bolt for the base, and that's where you'll see me struggling for all I'm worth to tighten this thing. I was using one of the ratchet wrenches, so at least that was making it a little bit easier, but still, man, I was pouring sweat. Shocking. I know. Shocking. It's time to get the russet board on the leading wall. It was a pretty easy go of it. There was a stud right beside where I needed it to be. It was going to line up perfectly, so aces for that. Handrail ended up going on so easily. There was a 50-degree angle I needed to cut with the skill saw, and guess what angle my skill saw goes up to? 50 degrees. That was pretty cool.
Strong, crazy bets on me. Back mid scroll, Armageddon arcane. Walking the wild, walking the wild.
Wow, it's just no wonder the Starship Enterprise was a success.
There you go.
Yes.
Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless chats. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. Don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on the time. Try to unplug it, turn it back on. Try to unplug with the feeling.
You really got a knack for that, buddy.
It's fun, man.
Well, it's more than fun. Wow,
Absolutely.
look at that. Holy, that's Gouda, man. Really, that's Gouda.
Walking the wild, walking the wild. You don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. Radio play in the cesspool stream. Oh, running down numbers that.
Wow, looks beautiful.
Thanks.
I think my house value just went up.
So we got the handrail on, lickety split. 2 angle cuts, and then the balusters went on with the same kind of angle cut, and it just went on like magic.
Thank you, Mark.
Hey, my pleasure, John. Absolutely my pleasure.
Something I didn't mention before was these spindles. I didn't just strip the paint off of them. I routed the edges of them. I sanded the heck out of them with 2 different grades of sandpaper. I wanted these things to be pristine as possible. And there you have it. Lisa's dad did an amazing job of painting it, a couple different colors to match up with the staircase, and we've got a finished product. So if you like that, we've got a lot more videos coming, as well as a big library of existing projects. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe, get those notifications on. I'd love for you to join us in this journey of DIY. Thanks everybody. Take care. Bye.
Used to be dreams, walking on the world, and I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle.
That bass.
Were you watching us? He's tired. He played a little harder than Apollo did. Comet always plays harder.